Hey, I'm Kris, and this is my XCaliber 6, and I'm going to tell you what's great about it. Easton grips, these are very grippy. Then we have my hydraulic disc brakes, right here. And then I have my Bontrager bars. I have my Bontrager stem. Hold up, let's move down here. Then I have this really crappy Centaur shock that I literally just had to get repaired. XR4 tires. And then I have my Bontrager rims. And then let's move over here. I have this Bontrager seat. Everything on my bike's Bontrager, just so you know. And I have a 3x9 SRAM X5. I mean. And then I have my track frame, my lizard skin, and I have my pedals are one side is flats and one side is clips. Clips really help me ride. And yeah, that's what I think is good about my bike.